In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Stardew Valley with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any controller that you have to easily work. As you can see, I am now inside of the game, and I can control everything using my controller. So, there isn't any special setup that you need to do. As long as your controller is being detected by the game, as soon as you open it up, it is going to work. Keep in mind that the process that I'm going to show you in this video will work if you own the game through Steam. So what you have to do is go to your Steam library and select Stardew Valley from the list of games. When you click on Stardew Valley, you will be able to access the settings icon at the right side of the game and go into the properties. Inside of the properties, select the controller settings, and what you have to do is make sure that Steam input is enabled. So click Enable Steam Input from this drop-down menu and try opening up the game with the controller connected to your PC. If it works, you will be able to easily set up and play the game. But if it still doesn't work, something you might want to try instead is to disable Steam Input. Sometimes Steam Input can make some controllers unusable, so go ahead and try either of these options. As long as Steam Input is enabled, you also have access to this gamepad icon that allows you to browse to the official recommended layout for the game or select community-made templates that you can use and edit at any time. As long as your controller is being detected by your computer, when you open up the game through Steam, you will be able to play through its entirety using any controller that you have. You just need to make sure that you are running the game through Steam, and this will work. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Stardew Valley with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.